Hello everyone. We have started our lesson number 6, combustion and flame. We have studied what is combustion, what are combustible and non-combustible substances. Today we are going to see one more activity which proves that oxygen is important for the burning or combustion. So in combustion definition we have studied the burning process which occur in the presence of air. So whether the air or oxygen present in the air is important for combustion or not, that we are going to prove by the experiment of candle. See here in the picture you can see candle is there. Fix a lighted candle on a table, put a glass chimney over the candle and rest it on a few wooden blocks in such a way that air can enter the chimney. Now in the first picture air can easily enter in the chimney, you can see that, and because of that the candle burns freely. Okay, but in the second picture you can see that chimney is covered with a glass lid and air does not enter into the chimney. So what happens, that candle extinguish because air is not available in the chimney. So this is the conclusion, that air is important for the combustion. Now second activity in your book is given, activity 6.3. In that, see what they have shown, see the pictures, you will understand. The wood is burning on, but when you keep a lid on that wood and cover it so that air does not enter inside it, what happens? In the second picture you can see that wood stops burning completely. So this concludes that oxygen is necessary for combustion. So these two activities tell us about how oxygen is necessary for the combustion process. Now we'll see the ignition temperature. In your textbook you can see here it is given in the textbook what is ignition temperature. So to understand that, we'll see these pictures. Now you can observe in the picture that two things are shown there, one is paper and one is wooden stick. Paper with the help of matchsticks burns easily, it catches fire easily, but wooden stick does not. With the help of matchstick it does not catch fire easily. So you might have seen in the villages when we are using chulas and all that, आपण लाकूड जाळण्यासाठी जेव्हा चुलीत घालतो ते पटकन पेटत नसेल तर आपण कागद, पेपर, or we use kerosene to burn that, or to catch the fire easily we add such things to the wood in our chulas. So this is the reason why they does not catch fire. We'll understand here today. Paper can catch easily fire, but wooden stick cannot catch the fire easily. So what we have done in the second picture, you can see kerosene is applied at one end of the wooden stick, and then we with the help of matchstick we try to burn it. It burns easily. So what this tells us, that different materials catch fire at different temperature. Okay, thus minimum temperature at which a combustion or combustible substance catch fire is called its ignition temperature. Now in your textbook what is given, the lowest temperature at which a substance catches fire is called its ignition temperature. Now this tells us that the temperature level of that combustible substance should reach the minimum level of that temperature. When it comes to that level, it catch fire easily. So this is important for the combustion, that the temperature, minimum temperature or the ignition temperature should be at that level, and immediately the substance catches the fire. When it reach to that level, it catch fire easily. To understand this, one more activity is given in your book, that is two paper cups are there. We have taken one empty cup and one cup filled with water. You can see in the first picture the empty cup has burned and fall down in the form of ash, but the cup with water is still as it is, it does not burn quickly. Okay. In the second picture you can see there are vapors coming out from that cup in which water is kept. When you go on heating, the vapors come out. That means what? The heat, the water is started heating. Okay. And the vapors come out from it. In the presence of heat, water vapors, what happens? The substance having very low ignition temperature catch fire easily, but the substances which does not have the ignition temperature, they will not catch fire easily. So the substance should reach at the ignition temperature level to burn. Okay, the substance which have very low ignition temperature and can easily catch fire with a flame are called inflammable substances. So for today you just read out the lesson. We will do more discussion on this ignition temperature. I think you understood what is ignition temperature and what are inflammable substances. We'll discuss more on this in the next period or in the next video. So today we have seen about why oxygen is important for combustion and what is ignition temperature. So we'll stop here and we'll discuss more on the ignition temperature. I will give more examples on that for your better understanding. So for today we'll stop here. Thank you.